snap your hands. If you like music, snap your hands. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, hello, how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Hello, hello, how do you do? How do you do today? Hello, first and second grade. It's Miss Ortiz, and I've missed you guys so much. We've been doing a lot of great work before we left for spring break, and I'd like to continue that, even if it's just doing it on YouTube in a couple of minutes. I think this will be more than a couple of minutes, but that's okay. You guys are awesome. Today we're going to learn a new song. I'm going to be looking down because I got the words down here. I don't want to forget the words and mess it up. You know I do that sometimes, so I don't want to do that today. Alright, so this is a calypso song. Calypso usually originates from the Caribbean islands. The most famous one that we would probably know is Jamaica, but there are other islands down there. And this is a fun song, I think, and it comes with a little drum pattern. So first we're going to listen, and then we're going to learn it, and then we're gonna sing it. I'm gonna play the drums. If you want to keep the beat on an instrument, I have another video somewhere. I'll link it, and it's kind of a video on ideas on how to make some instruments at home. Very simple, but hey, as long as it keeps the beat, fine with me. So you know that could be your head, your shoulders, your nose, your lap, whatever you want to do. Or if you would like to make an instrument at home, then follow that link. Also, I just want to point out, this song is kind of a working song, and we're doing a lot of working, you know, starting today with school. So I feel like it's the perfect song, first and second grade. Alright, so first we're going to start with keeping the beat and listening. Mama says no play, this is a work day. Up with the bright sun, get all the work done. If you will help me climb up the tall tree, shake the papaya down. Alright, did you get that? Alright, let's split it up into little pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and sing it. So if you want to like rewind, you just have to double tap, I don't know which way, 2 times. This way, I'm not sure, but you just double tap. It'll take you back 10 seconds so you can review what we just learned. Alright, so listen. Mama says no play. We're going to sing it again. Mama says no play. That's the first line. The second line. This is a work day. This is a work day. Line 3. Up with the bright sun. Up with the bright sun. Line 4. Get all the work done. Get all the work done. Alright, line 5. If you will help me, if you will help me. Listen to line 6. Climb up the tall tree. Climb up the tall tree. Shake the papaya down. Mama says no play, this is a work day. Up with the bright sun, get all the work done. If you will help me climb up the tall tree, shake the papaya down. Awesome singing, guys. Make sure that you're using your best singing voice, because you know you want to keep that voice nice and beautiful for when we come back. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to add the drum. You're going to sing with me. If you want to bring your instrument to keep the beat with me, go ahead, feel free. Let's do it. Hey guys, so I got my little drum right here, and I'm going to give you just 2 little, and then we're going to come in. Alright, so this is how it goes. This isn't the real deal yet. Just listen. So just like that. Alright, so listen, and let's get ready to sing. Mama says no play, this is a work day. Up with the bright sun, get all the work done. If you will help me climb up the tall tree, shake the papaya down. right, guys, you did a really great job, and I'm really proud of you guys. So just a reminder, Ms. Ortiz does miss you guys, okay? Make sure that you're singing a lot. Make sure that if you go out that you don't really touch things that you don't need to be touching, you know, at Walmart. Mom, I want this. No. People have germs right now. But if you do, go home, wash your hands for 20 seconds. That's about as long as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Cough right here. So you're helping people not get sick. All right, guys, so great job today, and I'll see you in the next one.